If you spend a lot of time on Instagram, and you get lots of interesting videos, you can download these videos easily on your PC. There are many downloader software that you can use, but we will make it with a simple script. We will add a video button to each item with the help of the Chrome extension. With these additional video URL button, you can click the button to go directly to the video URL. To download it, right-click and select Save As menu. You can save videos on your PC whenever you want easily. You can freely download it and install as an unpacked extension into Chrome or Edge browser. The URL is in video's description text. Welcome to Newbie Computers channel. First of all, how do we find video links on Instagram pages? We can find it by right-click on the video box and select Inspect menu. In the Inspector screen, look for the highlighted video tag. Copy the element to Notepad for later use. We will search for the element with a simple script. In this case, the element we are looking for is a video tag with the class name as listed. Copy the script on the console screen, press Enter to execute it. If a video is found, it will display the direct link of the video. This link will be used as a download source. Copy the link in the browser address bar to download the video. And you see, the video was not found because the copied link refers to the blob URL, not the direct link to the file of the video. To get the link to the video file, fortunately, Instagram mobile layout does not use a blob URL but a direct link from the video file. Press the toggle device toolbar on the developer console, refresh the page. Scroll down and look for posts that contain any video. Copy and re-execute the script earlier. Now we get the direct link of the video file. Copy the link and paste it in the browser address bar. The video will appear. Right-click and select the Save As menu to download the video. After extracting the file, we need to install it in Chrome or Edge browser. Go to Chrome extensions in your browser. Ensure that the developer mode checkbox in the top right hand. Click Load Unpacked Extension to pop up a file selection dialog and select your directory. If the extension is valid, it'll be loaded up and active right away. Ensure that the enabled box next to your Chrome extension is checked. Now go to Instagram page, reload the page to make sure the extension is loaded properly. You see there will be an additional video button under each video item. Scroll to display other videos, wait a few seconds for the video button to appear. As we know before, the desktop view uses the blob URL. If you see a message like this when you click the video button, then Instagram is still in desktop view. You need to change it to mobile view and reload the page after that. If you find a blank video like this, don't worry, you can still download the video. Right-click and select Save as menu. To solve the black screen on the video, you have to press Enter on the address bar so that the video can be displayed normally.